Yeah, my name is Griffin Anderson. I'm the founder and CEO of KYVE Labs, a core contributor to the Archway protocol, which is a L1 in the Cosmos space. Yeah, Archway is an L1, a general purpose chain with a focus and objective of basically driving value to the dApp developers building on top of the protocol. We redesigned the whole protocol so that dApp devs can earn contract revenue for usage of their smart contracts. Yeah, so we have a bunch of different stakeholders that are involved in the Archway community. Our primary focus is obviously third-party dApp developers. So we work very closely with a bunch of teams that are building great dApps on top of Archway and Archway Network. And then Archway as an ecosystem also works with end users and other partners that have integrated the network, anyone from custodians to other providers and things like that. So we really work with all kinds of different stakeholders, everybody that's involved in the Web3 space. Yeah, absolutely. So data is just absolutely integral to building dApps on top of any network. There's some things you can natively get on chain through RPC, but without indexing, without proper data support behind the scenes, it's harder to do the more complex queries without having a solution for that. So for us, I think we were looking out and looking for a partner that was working in the broader Cosmos space, that was providing a data solution for us that would be really integral to us to helping to support our needs on the dApp side and dashboard side of things in terms of helping our third-party dApps build great and better dApps. Yeah, so some of the reasons we use, so Amber, one of the NFT marketplaces building on top of Archway, actually taps into the data sources provided, the archive data that's provided by KYVE, and we use and we query that data, and we kind of clean that data and create API and endpoints on top of that underlying data to get more analytical and more complex queries needed to support the Amber NFT marketplace. So that means like actual end users that are purchasing NFTs on the marketplace are able to see historical NFT sales over time. They're able to get more complex information around like the specific NFT set, etc. And so that data is really critical for end users who are purchasing and selling NFTs on top of the Amber marketplace. Yeah, I think in general, we've been using the data and the sets to better understand what is happening on chain. Some of the blocks explorers have been a little bit limited in the data that they are publicly available and publicly showing. And sometimes it takes just a little bit more enhanced insight to understand what is actually happening. And so by tapping into KYVE solutions, we've been able to, our data team and our DevOps and infrastructure team and integration team has been able to ingest that data and be able to allow us to basically make more complex decisions and across the board by understanding exactly what is happening on chain. And that's all done through KYVE's solutions. Well, I've heard from our engineers that you guys have been on the spot when there's bugs and issues that come up. We're kind of one of your first folks testing the solution and everything else, and like any new solution, there's always going to be something that pops up, and that one pesky bug or that one issue, or even just a new feature that we're looking for. And your team has been extremely responsive in triaging those problems and those issues, and it's allowed us to continue to execute and continue to allow us to hit our objectives and goals by being so completely responsive with the product and the offering. And so that's been great. The support has been fantastic. Yeah, I mean, the ecosystem is just in dApp development mode. So just I would say stay tuned for a whole bunch of cool new dApps that are going to be highlighting, showcasing a whole bunch of new use cases that probably ingest data that's provided by KYVE. So excited to see all that come true. KYVE has been just a wonderful partner to us. I really recommend anybody partnering with them. They've been completely supportive to our ecosystem and has been a great partner all around.